Hi, this is Crystal, and this is my Module 10 reflection. So, my first question is what experience has impacted me the most? And recently at my school site at Liberty, we had a PLC training day, and the experience that impacted me the most is we went student by student and tried to identify what kind of student and learner they are in the classroom, and then tried to identify a student from a previous year that was similar to that student, and I was paired with another teacher that had been working there previously at the school, and I found it really to be helpful because they shared with me insight of what they did when the student struggled and how they helped them, and I think that was really beneficial for me because I'm already looking ahead of when they get stuck or maybe when they have trouble with a certain standard. I already have ideas of how to help them be more successful. So I thought that was really beneficial, and it helped me see student by student what kind of students there are. Kind of like there's different kinds of learners, and so it just gave me some ideas to how to help them. And then my next question, how has my tool set changed? And from this module, it talked about the RECA again. Jade and I took the RECA and didn't pass, which was a bummer for us because we did take the class that everyone recommends. I don't think Jade had told you, but we took the class and it was an 8-hour class. We studied every week. It wasn't like we went in there and we just didn't do any studying. So we didn't miss it by much, and so we already signed up again. And so we're just gonna study again and maybe contact the lady that we did the class with and see if we can maybe submit some work to her to review. I don't know if you have any other ideas to help, but it was disappointing because we had studied a lot. But we're hoping that next time we will pass, and we're supposed to take it in before Christmas break for us. So I think like around December, I think 16th is when we're taking it again. So the last thing is what additional questions have surfaced for me, and the only thing that I have a question about right now is I have not paid yet for the next term, so I just need to look up when the payment for that term is due. That's the only thing I've been thinking about and questioning. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and a hopefully a good little break if you had a break. All right, thank you. I'll talk to you soon.